Okay, and here in Redfern in Sydney, let's just talk to a few people about docs. What do you got to say about docs?
Docs are just fucked, they should be stopped, cancelled, whatever, just happen.
What have they done to you or anyone you know?
They destroyed me. Destroyed.
So how did they do that? So they threw the kids away?
All two of them passed away and then they took the other one and then just fucking split my whole family.
So there's one person. What have you kids got to say about docs?
Yeah, docs fucked me around when I was like 2, took me off my mum, so pretty much all docs workers and my dad, so pretty much all docs workers are fuckers and ruin children's lives, so
What do you
enjoy that.
Are you back with your dad now?
Yeah, I got back with him after getting out of docs.
Right. And what about you? Your grandma's a foster carer.
Yeah.
And she was. You tell me your story.
Yeah, just to help her look after kids.
That's really good of your grandma to do that.
Yes, she's like heaps old.
And she had a foster kid that she had for 8 months or so.
Yeah, she had this kid for ages, and then when she gave him back, like, he died a couple of weeks.
He drowned like 2
Yeah,
weeks
he
ago.
drowned in the river with the family.
And what, did your grandma know something bad was going to happen?
Yeah, I think so.
See, they don't listen to foster carers either. But it's ultimately, well, there's a few issues happening here. Have you got any doc stories? You were saying it before. All right, we'll just make this quick interview. I'm on the streets of Redfern in Sydney, and I'm sure I'm going to find some more stories. But don't have to be today. I've got a meeting to go to. Thanks, Thanks heaps for that.
Sugar, bro. I hate the cunts. Whatever I can put against them, I swear to God, whatever will fuck.